hi. Welcome to Sesame Street. I was just thinking about all the things you can be sure of on Sesame Street. I do that sometimes to keep from worrying. Like for example, see there's Oscar, checking out the weather. You know what? You can be sure that Oscar will be in his trash can most of the time because, well, that's where he lives. It's a comforting thought. Oh, look over there. There's Bob. You can be sure that he'll come out of that door at least once during the day because, well, that's where he lives. And oh, look over there. There's Gordon. You can be sure that he will come down that stairway sometime during the day because that's where he lives.
Hey, Bob.
How you doing?
Okay.
Good.
How you doing? Good.
And you know what? You can be sure that Big Bird will come out of this door because, well, that's where he lives. He usually comes out. He's not coming out yet. Well, then you know what? I'll bet that... No, I am sure that he is sitting on his nest because, well, that's just what Big Bird does. Yeah. Big Bird!
Come in.
You can be sure of it. Yeah. Help! Something happened to Big Bird! He's not big anymore! He's small! Help! This is terrible! Help! Please!
Telly, calm down. Telly, what's the matter?
This Big Bird, he's not big anymore! He's small! He got real small! I saw him sitting on his nest like he always does, only he was small, not big!
What's going on here?
Now he's big again!
Telly,
No!
Telly.
I can't look!
Telly,
No! What?
relax,
What?
relax.
What?
Big Bird is big. He was big. He always will be big. You can be sure of that.
Oh, yeah? Well, I just saw him on his nest and he was small.
That wasn't me, Telly. See, you saw Little Bird in my nest. Take a look.
Hello.
Little Bird?
Hi.
Hi, little bird.
Hi, little bird.
Hi. How you doing?
Good.
She's small, I'm big.
Yeah, I know that now, but what's she doing on your nest?
She's thinking of moving to Sesame Street.
Uh-huh. Living in the park is nice, but I'd like to try something different, so I'm trying out Big Bird's nest.
We're going to be nestmates.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, we'll see ya.
Yeah.
Okay, see
you
you
later.
guys. Bye-bye. Bye, Big
Bye.
Bird.
Bye, little bird.
Bye, little bird.
That is nice.
Oh.
Look out, Little Bird.
Oh.
I'm sitting down.
Oh,
Oh,
ow,
oh.
ow, 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 ow. I'm sorry. I'm
There's something else you can be sure of. A big bird and a little bird in one nest is not easy.
If I sit here, is it okay?
Ouch.
Thanks for sharing your nest with me, Big Bird. Now I can live on Sesame Street.
Sure, Little Bird. It's fun having you for a nestmate. But you know what?
What?
It's time for my nap now.
Oh, yeah. It's time for my nap, too.
Oh, perfect. This is our first nap together as nestmates. Well, have a nice nap, Little Bird.
Yeah. You too, Big
Okay.
Bird. What? Oh dear. I can't sleep with all that snoring. What should I do? Oh, I know. I've heard that if you gently wake up someone who is snoring, they'll change positions and stop snoring. Let's see. Big Bird. Big Bird, Big Bird. Big Bird, you're snoring. Wake up. Oh, look. It worked. Now I can go back to sleep. Oh no. It worked, but only for a second. Now what'll I do? I have to be able to sleep where I live. Wait, I know. Maybe if I go under this blanket, I won't hear his snoring and I'll be able to go back to sleep. It's worth a try. Okay, here goes. Whew. No. I can barely breathe under there, much less sleep. Oh well. I guess we can't be nestmates after all. I better tell Big Bird goodbye. Big Bird? Big Bird, sorry, wake up!
What is it?
Oh, Big Bird, we can't be nestmates. Your snoring keeps me awake.
Oh, really? Gee. Oh, well, I'm gonna miss you, little bird.
No, you won't. I'll find someplace else to live on Sesame Street.
But we won't be nestmates.
No, but we'll be neighbors.
Oh, yeah, hey, neighbors. Like Mr. Rogers.
Huh? Oh, yeah, like Mr. Rogers. Okay, see you later, neighbor.
Okay, well, bye, little bird. Huh, now, where was I? Oh, yeah.
Of course you can't live here with me in my trash can, so just get lost, huh?
But Oscar, I want to live on Sesame Street. We could be roommates. No, trash can mates.
No, hit the road.
But all you have to do is share your trash can with me.
No way, I don't share.
Yes, you do, Oscar.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You share your can with all kinds of animals, like pigs and elephants. There you go, and goats and chickens and worms.
Hey, quiet down there! Now listen, I don't share with anybody nice.
Yes, you do, Oscar.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Slimy's nice, and Spot's nice, and Fluffy's nice.
Yeah, but they are messy.
Slimy's not messy.
Oh, but he loves mud and dirt. So just stop arguing with me and then... Hey, hey,
What?
wait a minute here. We're arguing, aren't we?
No, not really. We're having a discussion, exchanging thoughts and ideas, and we're not arguing.
Yes, we are. You're not agreeing with anything I say. So we are arguing. Hey, I've just changed my mind, little bird. You can live here.
Well, I changed my mind too. I don't want to live here.
Sure you do.
No, I don't.
But just listen to us. All we do is argue. Why, if you lived here, we could argue all the time. It would be great.
Oh, no, it wouldn't.
Yeah, see?
No, it would be terrible. I don't like to argue.
But I do.
Well, that's why I don't want to live here with you. I better go find someplace else before we start arguing again.
Yeah, but...
I'm leaving.
No, hey, wait, come back. Come back and visit any time. What a waste of talent. Well, at least my animals are arguing.
You know something? I wish Little Bird was here to play this game because it might help her find another place to live. Don't you think?
That's right.
Yeah? Okay, anyway, are you ready for the game? Okay, are you ready at home? Okay, here we go. Take a good look at all of these pictures. 3 of these things belong together. 3 of these things are kind of the same. But 1 of these things just doesn't belong here. Now it's time to play our game. It's time to play our game. Okay, now take a good look at the 4 pictures and tell me what is the same in every picture. Do you see something that's the same in every picture? What is it?
Birds are on top of everything.
Oh, that's
Sitting
good.
on everything.
Birds are sitting on top of everything, right? And what's in every picture that's the same? Yeah?
A bird.
A bird, right. There's birds in every picture, and birds are sitting on the top of everything. So that's 2 things that are the same, right? Now, let's see something else that's kind of the same. You know what this is, right? What is it?
A birdhouse.
Right. And what happens in a birdhouse, Miles? That's where birds live, right? Yeah, people make birdhouses so birds can live there. And what's this?
A nest.
Right? And what do birds do in a nest? That's where they
Sit.
That's where they sit, and that's where they live. Now here's, gotta look carefully. What is this right here? Yeah?
A hole.
A hole. And birds sometimes make their home inside of a hole in the tree, right? Like woodpeckers? So, this is a place where birds live, and this is a place where birds live, and this is a place where birds live, right? So, which one do you think is kind of different in here?
The snuffleupagus.
The Snuffleupagus, right? Why? Yeah?
Because a bird cannot live in a snuffleupagus.
Of course, a bird wouldn't be living on a Snuffleupagus, right? We all know that.
So what do you think, little bird? Do you want to live on my back or what?
Hey, wait a minute. Maybe we made a mistake.
I don't think so. It's a nice place to visit, but I wouldn't want to live here. You're not really a good place for a bird to live, Snuffy.
Oh, well, come visit anytime you want.
No, we were right.
Little bird?
Yep.
Maybe this book will help you find a place to live on Sesame Street.
But how can a book help?
Because this book shows how to make birdhouses.
Wow, we can learn how to make one for little bird.
Yeah, right. Now, check this out, see? It says you can make a birdhouse out of an old milk carton.
Huh?
Yeah, it says to completely open the top and then rinse out the carton completely.
Wait a minute. Big Bird, would you want to live in an old milk carton?
Well, maybe. Say, why don't I go get an old milk carton from the store right now? Then you can see if you want to live in one, okay?
Well, all right.
Okay.
Brilliant, Bird. Hey, little Bird, let's see what it says to do after you open it up and rinse it out.
Yeah, I hope he washes it out real good.
Yeah, let's see. It says, take a scissors and cut a hole in one side of the carton for a door.
A door. Oh, this sounds pretty good.
Yeah. It says then, put some dry grass in the bottom for a bed.
Dried grass. This is starting to sound very good.
Yeah. And it says, close the top with some strong packing tape. Oh, look over there on the other page. There's a picture of it.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, I just can't wait to move in.
It looks pretty nice.
Uh-huh.
Gee, I wish I could live in a milk carton.
Well, here's an open milk carton all rinsed out. So, what do you think of your new home, little bird?
Well, I don't know. It looks sort of small, doesn't it?
Gee, yeah. Gosh. Seemed like such a good idea.
Hey, Bird, it still is a good idea. Don't go away.
I don't know, Big Bird. I still don't have a home.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, Gordon.
Hey, little bird, did you find a home yet?
No, Bob. See, this milk carton would have been perfect, but it's too small.
Hey, little bird, come see what I made for you. It's a birdhouse, and I made it out of a milk carton.
Oh.
You recycled a milk carton?
No, I walked here. What's a recycle?
No, Snuffy, that's when you take something old and make something new with it.
Oh.
But we tried that already, and it was too small. Don't you remember, Snuffy?
Yes,
No, you see, I used one of my milk cartons. You see, I did everything the instructions in the book said. I opened it up, I rinsed it out, and my mommy helped me with everything else.
Well, we could try it.
Oh, I get it. It's a Snuffleupagus milk carton.
Oh.
Hey, come on, let's go see it.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, little bird. You can ride on my back.
Oh, great, Snuffy.
Come
You're
on.
very helpful.
Oh, there
I
it
can't wait to
is.
see what he made.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Look at that.
Oh, hey.
Hey,
great.
Snuffy, that's great.
You did a great job, Snuffy.
It was brilliant, Snuffy.
Oh, but how do you like it, little bird?
Oh, I don't like it. I love it. Yeah, in fact, I'm going to move in right now.
Okay.
Don't you just love our new house, honey? And the view! Oh, look, we have company!
Oh, no. I'm too late.
Oh, dear.
Okay, Cassie, there
Little
you
bit.
go.
Oh, good.
Okay, everybody, drink up.
Okay.
We got to make Little Bird a birdhouse out of this milk
You
carton.
bet.
Excuse me, Gordon, but I've decided to move back to the park.
What?
What?
Yeah, but I'm still thirsty. Aren't you?
Well, not as thirsty.
Like my milk.
Oh, well.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters D and H and by the number 18. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Yep.